Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a calendars. Now let's get started. So, first you can open your calendars apps. And then in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top. And then in here you can choose the sign to your Google account, your Samsung account, or the apps even. And then in here you can see a signs now, so you just click on it and then you can waiting after the process has been finished. Okay, the process has been finished, so that's how to sign a calendars. Now I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.